Hello, my crafty friends. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is hashtag Thrifty Thursday. So welcome to Thrifty Thursday. Everyone's welcome to participate. This happens to be a open collab that is hosted by me. Everyone can participate. If you'd like to participate, just use the hashtag in your title, hashtag Thrifty Thursday. Be subscribed to my channel, link my channel, and just tell people how to participate and send them over to my channel to check or subscribe to my channel. So anyway, let's get started. All the instructions are below in case I forgot anything. But yeah, I have a little Temu haul, and it's been sitting here for a few weeks. I haven't gotten to show it to you, and I'm like, I gotta get this done. I want to use these things and put them away. So a little Temu bag here. So let's see what I got, because I don't even remember at this point. I'm just going to start pulling things out. There's not very much here, so this will be a quick video, but just a few things. Okay, so what did I get? All right. I'm going to show you everything. There's a couple things in here. Most things are crafty, I think, but a couple things are not crafty, so this is it. And I already took something out. Oh, these things are right here. Yeah, that's right. I always like to look at the Temu stuff as soon as it gets here. So I got this little ribbon. It says Merry Christmas on it, and it's red. I will show you. Is it grosgrain? Let me see. I don't remember now. Yes, it is. So it's a little grosgrain ribbon with gold lettering, and it says Merry Christmas. And I thought that would be fun to use either in a tassel or, on tag toppers for Christmas, for my Christmas crafting. And, I've already done a lot of Christmas journals or at least a few in July this year. And I really liked how that went. I liked doing I did my Halloween in June and my Christmas in July. And it seemed early, but everything sold. So it worked out well. And I do have one fall journal at the time when I'm doing this video anyway, left in my shop. So if anybody wants a fall journal, that is there. And these little notepads were in those plastic bags. So it's I had ordered a couple of these, but there's a couple colors that I hadn't ordered. So I wanted to go ahead and get them before, maybe they didn't sell them anymore. But it's a little, I think they all say they're all about the same size. And they all say something like clothing catalog on them, like these do right here. And they're all about the same size. So it's 4 by, they're a good size, 4 by 5.5. So good size. And I just like to stick them into journals. You can, back them up and put some cardstock on the back if you want. Let's see, it goes, oh, that was the back actually. Here's all the patterns that are in there. And then here's the front. Of course, you can use the packaging too and make a cute tag. But they look like what you would see on the front of a vintage sewing pattern. So they're so cute. And you can use them for note paper for writing on the back. Or like I said, put cardstock and make journaling cards. I mean, you can use them for journaling cards, or journaling spots, just like this. Of course, somebody can write on the back. So it just depends on what you want to use them for. All of the above if you want. But they're just so adorable. And like, these are 2 colors that like I said, that I hadn't picked up. So I want to go ahead and get all the colors. So I think I have them all now, but there's 2 of each pattern, but just so pretty. I just love them. And I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but you get the idea. Just so pretty. And I do have a lot of sewing patterns, actual vintage sewing patterns that I will eventually get to making a journal out of. So I wanted to have these on hand for that reason too. So when I do get to that, I can use these in those. So that was that one with these 3 girls. They have little aprons over their dresses. If you see that on Temu, that's that one. And then it says 50 on there. So they probably have, 50 sheets. And then, so here's the back of this one. I know that's hard to see. It's hard for me to even see, but here's the front. This one has this lady has a dress on. And then this lady has a dress and a coat and a little hat on. It's a little white hat. It almost looks like a nurse's hat, but I guess it's just supposed to be a dressy hat because she has gloves on too and she's all dressed up. So this one must have, let's see, maybe it's dressier, but this one's blue. The other one was like multiple colors. Maybe this one has more blue in it. Well, there's multiple colors there. But anyway, oh, here's a maternity. Looks like a maternity outfit. I don't know. The blouse is very big. But just so cute. Oh, look at the little girls. Yeah, so you could use this as one piece, or there's actually two patterns on here, so you could cut it in half and have little, you know, kind of narrow tags. That would be cute. That would definitely be cute. Put a little ribbon topper on it. Yeah, a lot of these could be cut in half or used as a whole, but you get the picture on that. There's some bridal wear there. A lot of dresses in this one. More brides. Super cute. I mean, so many purposes for these. You could probably use them on cards too, depending, like if you needed a wedding card, a bride and groom card, you could use those, the wedding related ones. So that was that. So let's see. And then two things that I got. I don't usually show you my non-crafty things that I get from Temu, but since they're in the bag here and I haven't got them out yet, I will show you. I got these socks for my granddaughter. I thought they were so cute, and I just thought she maybe needed some socks, and these are so adorable. So let me show you. These have little strawberries. She's 2, about to turn 3 in November now, and so these might be a little big, but not really that big. My son is a big guy, so I think she's taken after my son. She's probably a little bit, I mean, she looks like a 3-year-old. If you saw her, you'd be like, she's 3. But no, she's only 2. She's not 3 yet, but she's a big, she may be tall when she grows up. I mean, I'm on the tall side. I mean, I think I'm 5'7.5", and that used to be tall. Now I think it's kind of average. I don't know, but so I think she's going to be tall. Her mom is short. Her mom's 5'1". So, but she looks like a 3-year-old. So it's one of those type of situations. But anyway, look at these socks. Look at that. They have a little ruffle part on that. I mean, they're really well made and it's just super cute. It's like a double. Is it like a little double ruffle here or something? You know, and I have 2 boys, so I'm not even used to buying little girl stuff. You know what I mean? So now's my chance to have some fun getting little girl stuff, because I never got that, you know, when my kids were growing up, and I just had to stick with the boy stuff, of course. And these all have, that has strawberries. These have little strawberries. Little stripes on the bottom. So adorable, right? I've been having some fun. I held off for a while, but now I'm just like, you know, I have to, because they grow out of things so quick, so you don't want to get too much, you know what I mean? Go crazy. But, yeah, just so cute. These are pink with the little strawberries right there, and they all have that little double ruffle on the top. Little toe has the red, so if she's walking around with her bare feet, I mean, not bare feet, but without shoes, she'll even have cute little things on her feet. But they're all, what is it, 6 pairs or 5 pairs, and they're all different. Here's this one. So adorable. And here's this one, like a whole strawberry, you know, with the red with the little seeds and the green on the top. When I saw these, I was like, oh my goodness, those are the cutest socks I've ever seen. And they were not, I mean, they were not that, I don't remember how much they were. Just look for socks for toddlers or whatever. They're considered large, but they were like a toddler size. And, you know, I looked at socks at Walmart. Yeah, they have some cute ones, but they're expensive, and these were, I think, less, and they're so adorable. So, got those. What else did I get? I might as well show you. I got this to try out because, you know, we buy this spray oil, you know, for when you want to, you know, you got to grease your cookie sheet or whatever. So I got this to try out. I wanted to see if it worked and if it, you know, saved me money, see if it get clogged up or whatever. I've never tried anything like this. And I actually kind of was hoping it was glass, but it's plastic. And you put your oil in here and you can spray it. So, oh, here's the little, not, part where it comes out. So, let's see, does it, yeah, you just take the lid off, I guess, pour your oil in there. And here's the little thing that, goes down into the bottle. Here's what it looks like inside. I'm thinking, oh, I guess it keeps the oil fresh because it's completely sealed. It's all plastic up in there. So I'll keep the oil fresh, and you just screw it back on there. And then when you need to spray your pan, so I'll test it out at some point and see if it works. I don't do a lot of baking, but I do once in a while. You use you have to spray other pans besides, for baking. So anyway, yeah, I was, hopefully this would save me some money and I wouldn't have to buy the spray oil anymore. So we'll see. I'll test it out and let you know how it goes. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.